All right, in this little venture, what we have is all input controls via the Xbox controller. We have some text down here in the lower corner. One is for orders, the other is for location. This new text here is player message, any kind of message that the player needs to know about. And this right here is going to be a list of locations. Right now we have, to simulate locations, we have cubes that are in the scene, several cubes. And as we move the player around, player gets closer to a cube, which is tagged as a building, and then it pops up into the list. Keep moving, we've got the list there, which adds another one. If we use the D-pad on the Xbox controller, then we can go ahead and cycle through the available buildings. And if we use the D-pad, we can go ahead and scroll through the different orders that will be given to the squad members. As we move around, we lose one of the buildings, we gain another one, we lose one, and again, we can scroll through these options and the orders for the team as well. The idea is to tell a squad member, actually, a squad member will be basically on the hip of the leader at all times. That squad leader will just maintain a certain distance from the leader. The leader, when the leader gets close enough to a building or some other identifiable object, then what happens is this list will populate, and then we can cycle through those, and then we can also cycle through the orders, and then when we press the X button, that will basically give the order and the location to the squad member, who would then do whatever they need to do. So in this case, let's say it's secure area, then that member would run to that building, go to one of the entrances, then work its way through the building to make sure it's all clear, and then send the signal that now we can go ahead and scavenge, and then that person, that squad member, would then go through to the containers in the building and then scavenge the contents of those containers. If at any time the leader says to regroup, then the squad members will drop everything that they have going on. They'll move back to the leader, and then when they get within a certain distance, will face outward so that their position is bristling with, uh, you know, guns, offensive, defensive, what have you.